Welcome to your math online class. Today we will be learning a new topic which is based on something like this. I will be giving you one example and then you are going to tell me that what is the name of the topic, what we are going to start today. So now children, for example, I said that in your classroom there are students. Now in students, what do we have? We have collection of what? Boys and girls. Now the collection of boys and girls, if I want you people to show it or to interpret it, then how are we going to do it? And this collection of boys and girls taken and written in a tabular form or a table form. Tabular form means table form. That is called as something as data. What is data now children? Data is the collection of set of objects or set of things or set of quantities or people. That means the information what we are going to give will be in collection, and then when we are showing it to someone, collecting it, that is called as data, and showing it in the table form, that is called as data interpretation, and that data interpretation is called as data handling. That means we are handling the collection of information stored with us. Now when I said boys and girls and I want to show this data to my friends. So now how I will do is, first I will be making a table form. Okay, this table I will be distributing in two columns. Now this is my table in which I will be writing what? My data. So this is called as data handling. Handling the data in the table form. Okay. Now what I am showing here? I am showing the students. And here I am showing the number of students. Now I am talking about the students of class 3rd, boys and girls. Let us suppose that in my class I have 10 boys and I have 12 girls. Okay. So first we will write here total. What is the total I am getting? 22. Now you know children, this data of any information can be shown by two ways. One is pictograph and the other one is telemark table. In your class, you will be learning about the two ways of showing data. When you will be going to your next classes, there you will learn the third method of showing data. Okay, now let us confine ourselves to this class only. What we are going to do in this, we will be learning two ways of showing data, two ways of showing the collection. One is pictograph and the other one is telemark. And the both methods are very easy children. Pictograph means to show with pictures and telemark means is to show with vertical lines. Here we use vertical lines and here we use pictures. So now let us show this data by using pictures. Now I want to show my boys. How many boys are there? 10. Now when we show by using pictures, we will be taking my picture in groups. In the groups of multiplication tables. Now multiplication tables, what does it mean, children? I said 10. Now you tell me that this 10 and this 12 comes in which table together? Do they come in table of 2? Yes, it comes. 2 5 times and 2 6 times. Then does it come in table of 3? No. Does it come in table of 4? No. Only 12 comes, not 10. So let's take the table of 2 where the both comes. Now I am using what? Use one smiley. I am using my picture of smiley. I am using one smiley for 2 students. And this is very important to write. One smiley is equals to 2 students. That means my one smiley will show me 2 boys. One smiley will show me 2 girls. So for 10, how many smileys should I make, children? 2 5 times is 10. So I am showing 5 smileys. And how many times I will get 12? If I show 2 students, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 2 6 smileys is 12. Now this is my pictograph of what, children? Of the students for class 3rd. Isn't it very easy? It is very easy, children. You should know how to draw it. And you know, children, this chapter I will not give you in the final exam, in the writing part. We will be taking this chapter as an activity based chapter. I will be conducting one activity on it where I will give you 2 questions of pictograph and telemark. It will be of 10 mark. You are going to do that activity and then you will be submitted. You will be getting the marks for it. Okay? Hope, children, you have understood the pictograph. Now, in your book, page number 153. Now, this is pictograph. So, let's do today the page number 153. Then, the next page is of telemark. First, you will do pictograph, children. Now, in the page number 13A, the question of pictographs are given. This kind of pictograph is made and then the questions are asked. And that is also very easy, children. So let's begin. In the first question of the pictograph, books are taken, children. English, Hindi, Maths, Science and French. One book is showing 10. One picture of book is showing 10 books. Here one smiley is showing 2 students. That means table of 2 we did. Now in question number 1. Question number 1. One book is showing 10. 10 books. Now what are the subjects taken in this? English, Hindi. In the pictograph, English, Hindi. You will not make the pictograph in this question, beta. We will be doing only the answering of the questions what are asked. Maths, Science and French. How many books of English are given? There are 6 books of English. And how many? One book is showing 10. So do 6 tens up. How many? 60. Then Hindi, 4 books are given. So 40. Maths, 5 books. So 50. Again 50 for science and for this it is 20. You all have done this data interpretation in class 2 also, children. Your Shalu ma'am has taught you this pictograph. So we are just revising it. Okay. Now based on these, let me ask the question. How many math books are there in the library? How many are there? 50. Okay. Then which subject has maximum number of books? What is the meaning of maximum, children? Maximum means more and minimum means less. has more number of books here? You can see children, it is English. And which has less number of books? French. What is the total number of books in the library? Now total means what? Taking all together. And what we will do? Take all together here, we will take all the books. So this is 220 books. What is the total number of books? 220. Now how you will find this, children? In the book. Do exercise 13A in your book only. Don't write in the copy. And when you are doing this in the book, in front of the pictograph what is made in the book, there in the corner you write this 60, 40, 50, 50 and 20. Okay. Now let's do question number 2. Now question number 2 is for the cars. Different kinds of cars are given, children, and their sale is talked about in this question. Sale means how much is being sold. Now in question number 2, first Maruti 800 car is there. Then Zen, then Alto, then WagonR and Maruti ST. And one car is showing 100 cars. One car picture is showing how many cars? 100. So children, how many cars are made for this 800? 4 cars are made. So 400s are 400 cars. Then there are 5 cars made. So 500. In Alto there are again 5 cars made. So 500. In WagonR 3 are made. So 300. And in ST it is 2 cars made. So 200 times is 200. Now first I have written this. Where you will write? You will write where this big table is made. There in front of WagonR car, right here. Then Alto car, right here, like this. Now first question says, how many Maruti 800 are sold? How many are sold, children? 400 are sold. So the first answer is 400. What is the first answer? 400. Now the second answer. How many WagonR are sold? Let's see WagonR. How many are sold? 300 are sold. Then C. How many car models are in maximum sale? Maximum means more. So which is the more number? Zen and Alto. So you will write Zen and Alto. Then what is the minimum? Minimum means less. So which one is minimum? ST. Then how many cars in all sold? In all means all together, total. So let's do the total of this. It is 1900. So you will write 1900 cars are sold. Okay. Okay children, so this is how you will do question 1 and 2 of exercise 13A. Now after this, question number 3 you will do on your own in the book itself. Okay, don't write in the copy. Okay children. Now let's learn about this telemark. Okay, telemark is also very easy, children. Now you know what is telemark? Telemark is to write with the vertical lines. Now see, here we have 10 boys. Now let me show this with telemark. Now when we are showing it with telemark, again we make a table form. Then only it is a handling way. Here you write the students. Then here we will write the number. And here we will show the telemark. Okay. Now what is it? Boys and girls. How many boys? 10. How many boys? 12. Now you know children, telemark means that we will use vertical lines. Now let's use 1, 2, 3, 4. And you know children, telemark is always written with the 5th line in slanting way. 1, 2, 3, 4 vertical lines I have drawn. Now make one slanting line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That means all the multiples of 5 will be with the slanting line. Now 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2. That is 12. If I ask you to make 6, then what you will do? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. If I ask you to make 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If I ask you to make 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If I ask you to make 9, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So what did we learn, children, here? That telemark is used by vertical lines and the fifth line is always in multiples of 5 and it is made as slanting. So the exercise 13b is also to be done in the book. Page number 155 in book. They have given the table, you have to make the telemark. Okay? Understood, children? Question number 1 is to be done in the book. Question 3 also in the book and question 2 also in the book. In question number 2, you have to count the number of things in the given in refrigerator and then you have to do. Okay? We will be doing this chapter in our live class also, and in the live class we will do the activity which I want you to do. Okay, children? So do these two exercises in the book itself. Without seeing this video also you can do it because it is very easy. It is based on what you have learned in class 2. So you can solve it in one day. Only we will be doing this chapter in the book. Don't write it in your copy. That's it, children. We will be doing only this much in this chapter. Watch the video and do these two exercises in your book itself. Okay, children? Keep learning, children. Thank you and have a nice day.